Hello everyone, I'm June and welcome to your daily education update. If you're planning to appear for the CSIR UGC NET December 2025 session, here's some important news you need to hear right now. The National Testing Agency, NTA, has extended the application deadline for the upcoming CSIR UGC NET exam. The online registration now closes today, October 24th, 2025. Candidates can complete their fee payment until October 25th, and a correction window will be open from October 27 to 29 for editing any details. The exam itself will be conducted on December 18, 2025, in two shifts, from 9 a.m. to 12 noon and again from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. So mark your calendars. Only Indian citizens are eligible to apply. For the Junior Research Fellowship, JRF, the upper age limit is 30 years as of October 1, 2025. There is no age limit for those applying for assistant professor or PhD admissions. Candidates from the general category need 55% marks in their master's degree or equivalent, while OBC, SC, ST, and PWD candidates need 50%. Final year students or those awaiting results can also apply. To apply, simply visit CSIR NET official site, register with your details, upload the required documents, pay the exam fee, and download your confirmation page after submission. So, if you haven't applied yet, don't delay. The registration window closes tonight. Big news for design enthusiasts and future innovators. The Indian Institute of Technology in Delhi has just announced a brand new undergraduate program, the BTech in Design, and is kicking things off with an online, open house on 26 October 2025, starting at 6 p.m. IST. This 4-year BTech in Design has been laid out for students aiming to join in 2026, with an annual intake of just 20 students. How do you get in? Admissions will be on the basis of either your score in the prestigious JEE, Main, or the UCEED, Undergraduate Common Entrance Examination for Design. The program is specially designed for students with creative and empathetic thinking, who want to understand complex socio-technical systems and design practical yet meaningful solutions. It blends together design thinking, research methods, communication and presentation skills, team collaboration, all anchored in technology-driven, practical learning. Over the 4 years, students must complete 155 credits to graduate, a robust curriculum that reflects the serious nature of this new offering. Interested? To participate in the open house on 26 October, aspiring students should register by filling in the Google form link available on IIT Delhi's official platforms. This is your chance to ask questions, explore the program, and see if this career path is right for you. So, if you're looking to merge technology, creativity, and design in an undergraduate degree, mark your calendar for 26 October and explore the BTech in Design at IIT Delhi. Your future in design innovation could begin here. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more important education updates right here. Thanks for watching and have a great day.